Hi, I'm Gabriel Xu. Welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're going to introduce a new product of WKB-850. We will use iPad instead of laptop to reply like message, text or email. Especially when we are on business trip, we will keep our luggage as light as possible. But when we are typing, keyboard will be the most useful thing to deal with. Here we are offering you a good stuff to make your iPad into a laptop. So WKB-850, the Bluetooth keyboard case for iPad Pro 11 inches. We use Caesar type key module here, and the battery life, the continuous usage is up to 20 hours. And the weight, the whole thing's weight is only 630 grams. So it's light and fit to your iPad for daily use.